Now that we are talking about nitrogen cycle, we should know more information on how nitrogen being moves from one form to the other. So, in order for nitrogen as a gas to move from one form to another, it really involves the help of bacteria. So, we have got some processes which we call nitrogen fixation. We also have nitrification, ammonification, and denitrification. These processes. So now we are going to start with the nitrogen fiction. Now nitrogen, which is in the atmosphere, nitrogen as a gas. Now, how do they change from its form to the other? Now, nitrogen in the atmosphere has to react with the hydrogen by the help of a bacteria we are calling lipozobium, or another bacteria we are calling autozobacter anabehenum. This bacteria really helps nitrogen to be converted into nitrogen absorbable compounds, which now they will later react with the hydrogen so that they can form ammonia. Now, this is the process how nitrogen is being converted from atmosphere into absorbable nitrogen compound. So from atmosphere to the soil, this is how it moves. I'm sure I've explained there in on nitrogen fiction with the help of bacteria. The example of bacteria which helps nitrogen to be converted from nitrogen to nitrogen absorbable compound by the help of hydrogen. This bacteria I've said there's lysobium. We have also azotobacter, clostridium, and anabaeum. So now lysobium, these are the bacteria which normally found in some legume foods like beans, peas, and groundnuts. From there, we have got some autozobacter. These are the bacteria which found in the soil freely. They found in the soil. And then anabaeum, anabaena is found in the water, or these are aquatic bacteria. They found in the water. Anabaena. This biology, we have got some terms. So from there, we have now gone to a second one process. The second process, now we are going for nitrification. Nitrification, there you are going to find now ammonia has to react with the now ammonia has to react with oxygen, or ammonia has to oxidize to form up nitrite. This nitrite with the help of the bacteria we are calling as a nitrosomonas. So nitrification as the process by which ammonia is oxidized to form nitrite, which is nitrogen and oxygen has to react together by the help of the bacteria we are calling nitrosomonas, and nitrite is oxidized to form nitrate, whereby nitrogen has to react with oxygen to form oxygen 3 by the bacterium we are calling nitrobacter. Oxygen is required in order for nitrification to take place. Now the bacteria that carries out nitrification. We are calling them nitrification bacteria. The bacteria which carries nitrogen fixation, we are calling them nitrogen fixation or nitrogen fixing bacteria. Now we are on nitrification. The bacteria which carries out nitrification, we are calling them nitrification bacteria. Now I've explained much on nitrification, the process by which ammonia is oxidized to form nitrite, then by the help of the bacteria zyme, and then nitrite is oxidized to form nitrate. Now we have also remained with the process we are calling as denitrification. 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 First of all, I'll look on ammonification. Ammonification is depends on the decomposition of the decomposition of something, things which is in the soil or the plants which contains the protein, amino acid has to be digested, and then from there we have got urea. Amino acid has to broken down into urea by the process we call germination. The broken down of amino acid into urea, we call them germination. From there, since these are the decomposition or ammonification is being occurred by the process of decomposition things, fiabola, then has to add the nitrogen in the soil. From there, now I said we are going to denitrification. Denitrification is whereby now nitrate, the process by which nitrate is converted into nitrogen gas by the help of some bacteria which we call Pseudomonas and Theobaldicius. Denitrification. The process occurs in water-logged soils lacking oxygen. It makes the soil less fertile and adds nitrogen gas to the atmosphere. Another things which helps or which affects in the nitrogen cycle is lightening akalumba. This carries nitrogen fixation by causing nitrogen to react with the oxygen form nitrogen oxidize. The nitrogen oxidize dissolves in then water to form nitric acid, which has nitrite that plants are able to absorb. So, in final, we are saying nitrogen is very important in the environment because also nitrogen is being used in herbal process whereby they use nitrogen in the industrial for fertilizer also.